Hey guys, it's Token for Fun, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make custom ringtones for your iPhone. Just in case you guys are wondering, this does not require a jailbroken device, and this works on any iPhone using iTunes 11. First, head into iTunes, click the menu icon on the top left hand corner of iTunes, click Preferences, click Import Settings, and make sure Import Using is set to AAC Encoder. Then click OK. Make sure Tones is checked, then click OK. Next, make sure the song you want to make into a ringtone is in your library. If it's not, click the menu icon, click Add File to Library, and choose your song. Then, right click your file, click Get Info, go to Option, copy the stop time, and change it to 0 to 25. Then hit OK. Then right click the file again, click Create AAC Version, and drag that file to your desktop. Then click Start and type in Folder Options. Click View and make sure the box beside Hide Extensions for Known File Types is unchecked. Then click OK and right click the AAC file on your desktop, click Rename and change .m4a to .m4r. Okay, so what you want to do next is click the menu icon, click Add File to Library, and just click the file that you just converted into .m4r. Now click your device, make sure the box beside Sync Tones is checked, then click Sync and wait for your iPhone to sync. Now head into your iPhone, head into Settings, click Sounds, and go into text tones or ringtones, and your file will be there. That's it.